I think 𝗄𝗶𝘁𝗵.
What? What did you just say? Can you repeat it?
It's really good. That's what I said. Hello guys, my name is Lana.
I'm Veronica.
And where are we going today?
Italian kitchen and bar.
Italian kitchen and bar?
Italian.
Have you tried Italian food?
It's my favorite, and that's why
I've
we are
tried
here.
it too.
That's why.
Somebody recommended this place, and we're gonna try it. Let's go.
Yeah.
Only one. Well, yeah, I think
This one. Okay, sit down, Veronica. Sit down. Can you recommend us something like what's the most popular here?
Oh, for appetizers, Wagyu Beef Carpaccio is probably the most popular one. It's your rare beef. It's a truffle aioli. It's got oven-dried tomatoes and mushrooms on top and some sprouts. It's delicious.
And how about the entrada?
I would do the pesto prawn linguine, or of course you could do the tagliatelle, which we do tossed.
What do you want?
So the server will make us for this.
Okay, this one, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll get this pasta then.
Okay.
Actually, let's get burrata.
Yeah.
I've heard it's good.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Okay, so tomato burrata and Wagyu Beef Carpaccio. And do you want me to put the order in for the pasta now as well?
Sure. And do you have wine?
Absolutely. So this is the Giulio Straccali Galileo Rosso.
Awesome.
Mm.
It's good. So how did you know about this place?
How did I find this place? It's a good question. I actually was looking in the summer like good Italian places restaurant because it's my favorite food. I always go for. A couple of days ago, my friend, she offered me to go here because she'd been here on a nice day. Yeah, I always wanted to be here, and right now we are here. So
this is the Wagyu Beef Carpaccio.
Oh my god.
And let's go with. And this is the tomato burrata.
oh,
There is a delicious tomato jam at the very bottom, so I would recommend giving it a big mix before you start. And it's just a balsamic gel on top.
Awesome. Looks good. Thank you. I'm so hungry. To be honest, I'm so hungry. I even didn't eat breakfast today.
Oh.
So I'm gonna probably finish all of it.
You're not gonna share it with me?
No.
Excuse me.
We need to mix it up all together and give it a try.
Say something.
I think 𝗄𝗶𝘁𝗵.
What? What did you just say? Can you repeat it?
It's really good. That's what I said.
I'm not a fan of raw meat, but we'll see how it tastes.
Now you're a fan of raw meat.
Wow. Wow.
Something's gonna happen now. So right now, our chef is making our pasta. I've never seen that too. It's my first time. It's so good. Oh my god.
So delicious. What type of cheese is this?
It's a wheel of Grana Padano.
Well-known Grana Padano.
Grana Padano.
How much does this cheese cost, like entire thing?
We buy them in 4 wheels, and then they get cut in half, right?
Yeah.
But it's a real brand.
Oh wow.
You guys like pepper on them?
Yes.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
All right then.
Thank you.
Okay, now I'm trying Wagyu carpaccio. I've never tried actually meat carpaccio, only salmon carpaccio. So it's my first time too. Let's give it a try.
How is it? Amazing, right? It's like a taste. What does it taste like?
I can taste cheese and meat, but I've never tried raw meat. Mmm.
Carpaccio, right?
Mm-hmm. It doesn't taste like anything. I don't know. It's just good.
Yeah.
And mushroom. Raw
It's
mushroom.
not like something we got on pizza. It's something else.
Mm-hmm. And it has lots of cheese, so which is good. Highly recommend it.
Cheese with tomato. Tomato. It's actually sweet, a little bit of sweet. I cannot explain how it tastes. I'm gonna have it for breakfast every day right now.
It's expensive. Okay, Veronica, enough is enough.
Tell me, what is it?
Pasta is pasta.
Pasta is pasta. Nothing special. You can make it the same at home.
No, well, I can make it because I'm a professional cook, but it definitely worth this money. It's very creamy, juicy, and has a rich flavor.
Rich flavor of cheese or sauce.
Creamy, rich flavor, has a very good amount of seafood, so it's worth this money.
She's so hungry, that's why she was like.
And carpaccio. And a sip of wine.
Yeah.
Oh, that's exactly what you need. It's okay. Nobody says that. I remember you like creamy. You like very creamy.
Very creamy. Very. Pasta itself has very rich taste of sauce, like soaking inside of the pasta, and it makes it more delicious rather than like mixing two like sauces together. And it's very special, I feel like, when the sauce is actually soaking, pasta is soaking in sauce. Yeah.
You like soaking. When it's soaking. Or sucking.
Both.
So basically,
So this is burrata, and this is
carpaccio,
carpaccio.
Wagyu meat. Do you know Wagyu meat?
Wagyu meat.
And about Wagyu meat.
Wagyu, a Japanese beef cattle breed derived from native Asian cattle. Wagyu refers to all Japanese beef cattle, with wa means Japanese and gu means cow. Wagyu beef, the transcendently tender, fatty, umami-rich steak has become synonymous with luxury as caviar or black truffles.
You know what? I know why this place is very busy.
Why?
Because food is delicious.
And it's very hard to get the reservation here.
Or maybe I was very hungry. I was very hungry.
It's very hard to get a reservation here, but like we are in the middle of the week and it's raining outside, so no one's here except us.
Pasta again. My mouth is so wide and creamy. Anglaise.
Oh.
I'm gonna make a little. Yes. You have to grab all the layers and eat it. Good.
Coffee. It's like a coffee.
Rich flavor of coffee. Like
I never ate tiramisu like so good like that. I have tiramisu, but like it wasn't my favorite. But this one is actually amazing taste. It tastes like coffee.
Very
real
much.
healthy, yeah.
I'm gonna finish this dessert. Mm. It happened second time already. On the Filipino video, I had the same problem. Continue drinking our wine. Veronica, I have a gift for you. It's Prada.
I feel like it's my size.
Let's get it and run. Ooh, I'm so full. Are you full?
I'm so full. Oh my
But
god.
food was good. To be honest, food was really good. Like, everybody knows about Italian food, but this restaurant worth it. So you definitely should visit it.
And it was so delicious. Oh my god. My stomach is full of happiness.
Of happiness or
Yes.
something else?
Happiness and pasta.
Happiness, pasta, and wine. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I'll see you next video.
Bye.